Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE with the Exynos chipset through a real challenge. 1 hour intense mobile gaming test. Let's see how this device handles the heat, battery drain and performance when pushed to its limits. Before we dive into the games, let's quickly set up. The ambient temperature is 27.1 degrees Celsius and the battery is at a full 100%. The display refresh rate is cranked up to 120Hz for the smoothest experience. In this video, I'll be playing a range of games all set to their high graphics settings for a full 1 hour without any breaks. After each game, I'll share the battery percentage and the temperatures on both the display side and the back side of the phone. First up is Asphalt 8. A classic that's perfect for testing the graphics and frame stability. Let's get started. After a few minutes of continuous gameplay, here are the results. Display side temperature 36.1 degrees Celsius, backside temperature 35.8 degrees Celsius, battery percentage 99%. That's impressive. No noticeable lags or frame drops during the gameplay. It's buttery smooth. I did feel a slight warmth while holding the phone, but that's perfectly normal with any smartphone during gaming. So far, the S23 FE is handling it like a champ. That's just the beginning. Stay tuned as we push the Galaxy S23 FE even further with more demanding games. How will it hold up? Let's find out. After Asphalt 8, I jumped into PUBG game with the graphics maxed out and extreme frame rates. The S23 FE delivers a seamless experience. From landing at Pochinki to intense gunfights, everything felt smooth and immersive. After some minutes of continuous play, here is the update. Display side temperature 39.6 degrees Celsius, backside temperature 39.5 degrees Celsius, battery percentage 95%. The phone stayed consistent with no lag or frame drops. There is something noticeable warmth but nothing unusual, completely manageable for a gaming session like this. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you are enjoying this test. Let's move on to the next game. Next up, it was time to test Call of Duty Mobile. I set the graphics and frame rates to their maximum settings for this one. After some minutes of gameplay, here is how it performed. Display set temperature 42.2 degrees Celsius, back set temperature 41.3 degrees Celsius, battery percentage 89%. The warmth was slightly more noticeable by now, but gameplay was still lag-free. The phone's cooling system seems to be holding up well. Then came Genshin Impact, a real stress test for any smartphone with settings maxed out to highest graphics. After some minutes of adventuring, here are the results. Display side temperature 42.8 degrees Celsius, backside temperature 42.6 degrees Celsius, battery percentage 87%. This was the warmest the phone had gotten so far, but there were no performance dips. Genshin Impact is a heavy game and the S23 FE powered through without breaking a sweat. Well, maybe just a little warmth. Next, I tried Shadow Fight 4, known for its smooth animations and stunning graphics. The S23 FE made each move look effortless and the gameplay was enjoyable and glitch free. Here is the report after some minutes of combat. Display set temperature 41.4 degrees Celsius, backside temperature 40.9 degrees Celsius, battery percentage 85%. The phone cooled down a bit during this session, which was a nice surprise. For the final game, I relaxed with Train Pro USA, a simulation game with detailed environments, with everything maxed out. The visuals looked fantastic and the gameplay was smooth. After some minutes of continuous gameplay, here are the final stats. Display side temperature 39.4 degrees Celsius, backside temperature 39.3 degrees Celsius, battery percentage 83%. This was a lighter game compared to the others and the phone stayed cool and steady throughout. After 1 hour of non-stop gaming, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE with Exynos impressed me with its performance, even under heavy load with all games at the highest settings. There was no lag, no frame drops, and the temperatures remained manageable. Do note that I didn't use any back case during this entire gameplay. Also, this S23 FE comes with a vapor chamber cooling system that helps to control heat and maintain the performance, which shows during this entire gameplay. The battery dropped by only 17%, which is excellent for such intensive usage. If you're looking for a phone that can handle gaming without compromising on performance, the S23 FE is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this test, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which game you'd like to me test next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.